Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by treating the orange light as a standby indicator, so act fast. First, unplug the power brick from the wall and from the Xbox. Wait 1 full minute to drain capacitors. While it's disconnected, inspect the brick, cable jacket, and connector for visible damage or melted plastic. This often explains intermittent orange behavior. Once done, plug directly into a different known good wall outlet. Make sure to bypass extension strips or surge protectors while testing. You now diagnose by measuring rather than guessing. Locate the DC output spec printed on the brick, then measure the barrel connector with a digital multimeter. This confirms whether the brick is delivering the correct voltage. Also test the wall outlet with another device, and if possible, plug the brick into a known working Xbox to see if the issue follows the brick or the console. If the brick shows incorrect voltage, replacement is the safe, recommended solution. You finish by replacing or confirming the fix. If the brick failed your voltage test, install a compatible, certified replacement. Once in place, perform a full power cycle on the Xbox. Hold the console power button for 10 seconds, unplug the brick for 10 seconds, then reconnect and boot. Make sure connections are snug and not forced. If the orange light or power issues persist, consider the console's power inlet or internal board damage. Contact authorized service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.